$5,000, guys. Oh my gosh. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing something super awesome. We are going to be going for a ride in a Lambo. And there he is, the off-white Lamb. That thing is sick. Oh my gosh. What's up, man?
What's going on?
How you doing?
Good, man.
This thing is sick. Hey, there goes the Bud Light guy. Woo! Hey, we'll see you, man. So this is my buddy Mike. You guys probably haven't met him yet, but this is his awesome car. Definitely put this car in a video at some car shows. A lot of people don't understand. They might not know what fender and hood and lights and bumper. Kind of explain what all that is.
The easiest thing is I'm a former Marine, and you know, Marines are not the brightest, and so you have to label everything. Just kidding. No, I'm really into sneakers, and so I'm a massive sneakerhead, and so collect sneakers, and one of the sneaker brands that I like to look at is Off-White. And so what I wanted to do is take my interpretation of an Off-White sneaker, and they've done collaborations with Nike, and put it on the Lamborghini, and I thought it'd be something interesting. And so I ended up trying to mimic a little bit of some of their design kind of influences. So they have the tag, so normally it's Off-White for Nike or whatever brand that they're collaborating with, or for themselves, with, you know, other information about the brand that they're collaborating with. So for this one I did Lamborghini Huracan. Other stuff is just that they label things like on the shoes themselves. So like, you know, on the bottom they'll put air, or like on the shoelaces they'll actually label it. And so they try and take like a very abstract approach to the design of the sneaker, labeling things and trying to make it look, you know, almost inside out in some ways. And so I took at least the labeling aspect of it and tried to label pieces of the car, just like they did, just to try and take inspiration from what they do with their collaborations and Off-White.
For you guys that don't understand, so basically the shoe says the same thing on the side, but maybe we'll have to go see some shoes that look like that. You're not wearing any cool ones today. So this guy always has the best kicks at every car show we go to. He's got some cool kicks on today. I tried to match them with my Nikes, but I didn't do a very good job. So, but it's not just the stickers and all the wraps and everything. He's also done a bunch of cool stuff to this thing. You can see there's carbon fiber all over this place. It's like a whole new grill, whole new bumper, everything.
Yeah, so on here we have the Vorsteiner kit. So front splitter, the Lugers on the side skirts. My favorite piece, at least from Vorsteiner, is the bumper and rear diffuser. Just gives it such an aggressive look that I think is much different than what comes stock or from some of the other you know, providers out there. But really like the Vorsteiner back end and diffuser on this one.
Yeah, man, this thing is awesome. Pet Bull, this is his Pet Bull.
Yeah, this is on Instagram, my Pet Bull. You can follow me there. Have a whole bunch of other stuff working on there too. But stuff, Soul Performance exhaust, and then a VF just ECU tune, just to try and give it a little bit more of those crackles and pops and that deep rumble that you get from a naturally aspirated V10.
Yeah, this thing is sick, dude. It is loud, man. So I think we're gonna go for a little ride here in a second. And he actually mentioned something about going shoe shopping.
I think we gotta go, you know, a little shoe shopping.
Shoe shopping. Yeah. He's gonna teach me the ways of the hype beast shoe guy. Why don't you go ahead and start it up so we can hear that exhaust? Oh my gosh, that thing is loud, boys. Oh, that's so loud. Oh my god. All right, I think we're gonna hop in.
Loud enough? You awake?
Dude, that thing is loud. That's crazy. And those pops, oh my gosh. Oh, look at that 4x4 square. That thing looks awesome. So we're headed to the Galleria Mall. We're gonna be going to a cool shoe store there. They probably got some cool clothes, Jordans, Nikes. I don't know what they got, but hopefully they got something cool. All right, we got the Lambo. We just parked it out here. I'm about to walk inside this mall, guys. Hopefully they have some cool kicks. I need to upgrade, man. Not this guy. He's got some cool kicks, but I gotta go find some new ones for me. So the store we're going to is called PCHLA. It's right here. This place looks sick. It's in the Galleria Mall in Dallas. Let's go check it out and see all what they got. Alright guys, so we just walked in the store. We're gonna walk around. Mike's gonna show us around a little bit because I don't know anything about shoes. I used to be a big collector like when I was in high school of like Jordans and running shoes, but man, this is next level. This is some next level stuff.
Riley's about to buy a lot of shoes.
That's crazy. So Mike's gonna teach us a little bit about shoes right here. We got some Yeezys. There's a whole bunch of stuff over here. So walk us through, what's your like favorite kind of shoes right now?
I think summertime shorts. I definitely like something that's more low profile. Definitely, you know, you want the right shoe for the right situation. So.
What are these, man? These things look pretty sick. You said these were pretty rare, huh?
Yeah, these are pretty rare. These are Air Max 90s, but bacon. Bacon theme, yeah. What kind of makes them special is just rarity, the material that they use. The color combo in this Air Max 90 is something that's unique.
So this one you said was kind of like your car.
Something similar, yeah. So it's off-white, collaboration with Nike, and you can see, you know, some of the design inspiration I end up using where they label shoelaces, and you know, there's a couple others that we had in the back that were off-white that we can show off too that show that a little bit more, but a very deconstructed look with the design that they end up using.
So the words is why you wanted to put it on your car. Okay, that makes a lot more sense now. If you guys have never seen some off-white shoes, shoelaces with the quotes, that's where he got the inspiration from.
Design inspiration for the car, based off of the off-white. This is the off-white Presto whites. You can see, you know, labeling Air, labeling a whole bunch of different things throughout the design of the shoe, even with the tag. But you can see underneath here the off-white for Nike.
So that's sick. So that's why he did his car like that, guys, because of that shoe right there. He's a kid in a candy store over here, guys. This is the Travis Scott shoe. That thing is $5,000, guys. Oh my gosh.
Riley, you're gonna squeeze into this, right?
I don't know if those are my size, but I'll try. I'll try to fit in that one.
Tell me what you want to do. I can take you shopping, don't let me pick at you. And you pretty like a model, I can get you in the mood. And they see how I'm living, they see how I move. Oh no, why they mad at me? Spraying that piss like gasoline. Yeah, they used to laugh at me. Now I walk around with the bag of me. Why your bitch be nagging me? But she good at giving fake. Had to kick her out my place, she a 30 anyway.
He was saying this is like Yeezy wall. There's Yeezys all over the place.
350s, 350 V2s, 500s, 750s.
These are like $500 shoes, all Kanye West shoes. And then these really popped my eye right here. Kobe Bryant, one of my favorite basketball players, the Grinch Kobe's. I literally point out these Luka shoes that are sitting right here. I was like, man, I want a pair of those.
They had a size 14.
They didn't have a 13, so this dude's gonna get them.
On the wall.
So I went and asked the dude if they had any in the back because Luka's my favorite player. I went to the Mavs game.
I don't even like Luka. I'm a Rockets fan.
This dude's from Houston, but I'm a Luka fan. You guys know that. I went to the game, so it'd be really cool if I could get these shoes. Those suckers are clean, boy. Carry around no card. All he uses is his phone to pay. He said these are Swarovski crystals.
Yes.
And then these are the Justin Timberlake.
Yes.
$6,500 and $3,500. Yeah. I can't even see the price. $6,300 for these shoes, guys. That's like your whole bumper.
That is the whole bumper.
Hey guys, so we're leaving now. That was an awesome experience. He got some awesome shoes. Super jealous, but we're hopping back in the Lambo. I don't know if he's gonna. You gonna start this thing up, Mike? Oh my gosh! In his parking garage, it is loud. Sheesh! Already, go follow him. You can use that QR code, or it's My Pet Bull. As we're pulling back into turbo, but that was an insane drive. This car is fast. I mean, it doesn't even feel like it, but this is just a stock Huracan with a tune, with an exhaust. Got some mods on it, but it's not supercharged, none of that, and it's still freaking fast. If you haven't already, Mike's Instagram is My Pet Bull. You can go ahead and use that QR code right there on his car, or the logo is right above it. Hopefully you can see that. He's tagging his Instagram down in the comments below. All right, man, well, I appreciate it. Had fun going shoe shopping. Hey, you enjoy those Luca shoes, man. Those are sick.
I will.
And thanks for taking me for a ride in this thing. This thing is awesome. This is the off-white Lambo, guys. Such a sick car. That's definitely a dream car of mine, guys. So we're gonna be headed to the Galleria Mall. Do you know the name of the store?
No.
All right, so we're